From Fox 13, this is Good Day Tampa Bay.
Okay, it's a case that could have national implications. Let me set the scene. A man is reading a text message while behind the wheel. He gets into a bad crash, seriously injures a couple in another car. Well, now they are suing him and his girlfriend who sent him that text. They say she knew he was driving at the time and is also responsible for the crash. Let's bring in attorney Edgar Guzman. Does this have any implications? Does this thing have a chance? I mean, I guess that's the question. Thanks for being here, by the way.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having me. You know, it's like the old saying, throw the spaghetti on the wall and see what sticks. The attorney representing the injured family is bringing in, obviously, the driver, the one that caused the accident, and also is now trying to bring in the girlfriend that is probably sitting at home sending a text to the boyfriend. I don't know the facts specifically, but negligence cases, and this is the type of theory that the attorney representing the victims is going to bring, it's a very fact-driven type of area of practice. And he's going to have the burden of proving 4 elements. He's going to have to prove that there was a duty that was owed by the girlfriend sending the text. That's going to be a very difficult thing to prove, or an element to prove, because there has to be some kind of proximity to the person, the defendant, or the wrongdoer in this case. And the fact that she was not in the car, there's an element of that's not remote, and there's no foreseeability. So I think he's going to have a very difficult time meeting the first element, that the girlfriend had a duty to these individuals.
But if they did, I mean, if the judge rules this can go ahead, that's, I mean, it changes the game, doesn't it, in a lot of ways?
Hypothetically, but in legal terms, like I said, I think they're going to have a difficult challenge proving the fact that the defendant, the girlfriend, wasn't foreseeably, couldn't expect that her boyfriend that was receiving the text while driving could have caused this accident. That's sort of like a situation, because it's a slippery slope. It can open up floodgates, and there's going to be that's going to flood the court system. Imagine every situation that there's a car accident, the first question is going to be asked by the victim's family is, did you have your cell phone? And then they're going to say, well, were you texting or were you on the phone? And it's just going to open the floodgates to defendants. And I just don't think that for public policy reasons it's going to be something that is going to be possible or efficient. You know, but like I said, just looking at the 4 corners of the issue with the law, first year of law school, the first case that we ever had was a case called Paulsgraph. In that case, it was a train company, an employee was carrying fireworks for a passenger. The fireworks falls out of his hands, causing the explosion and a vibration. Like 3 or 4 cars down, the vibration from the fireworks caused the scales to fall on the victim. The victim tried to sue the train company. In that case, okay, the judge ruled that there wasn't remote. It wasn't foreseeable that that could happen. So, and that was a situation where it was the defendant, in this case the girlfriend, or in that case rather, the train conductor was close to the injured party. In this case, I don't know, but based on the facts, I don't know where the girlfriend was located. Right. So it's going to be difficult for him to prove. But, you know, if I'm the attorney representing the family, you know, I'm thinking outside the box. And I'm going to say that, you know, maybe the text made him do something and caused him to cause the accident.
Something to watch. Hey,
interesting.
Thanks for coming in.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate you shedding some light on it. Take care, okay?
Thank you.
Annie.